Joining us now to discuss the decision is Stephen Gilles, a professor at Quinnipiac University. Stephen, we appreciate your time. And just to be clear for our viewers now, let's nail this down. The Supreme Court ruling today does not ban abortions, and nothing in today's ruling would force Connecticut to ban abortions statewide, correct?
That's correct.
Okay, so Stephen, real quick, yeah, we just had to get that out of the way. So people are suggesting, especially we're seeing it a lot on social media, that this ruling by the Supreme Court could open the door to similar rulings about gay marriage and other social issues. Could we be looking at other landmark rulings coming down the pipe?
The Supreme Court opinion says over and over, our ruling today affects only what had been the constitutional right to abortion. They even say, can we say it any more clearly? There's nothing else we can say. So some people are going to, probably for their own reasons, continue to assert that it has that effect. One justice, Justice Thomas, wrote a separate opinion. His opinion, I think, made it pretty clear that he has real questions about rights like gay marriage. But it took 5 justices to get this majority opinion through, and he's the only one who talked that way.
So what will likely follow here is a barrage of legal court battles over abortion rights specifically, but also the peripheral issues such as the legality of the abortion pill, a potential prosecution of women who leave states where abortions are banned to obtain one in a legal state. What are some of the peripheral issues that you see coming up?
Well, you just mentioned one that Justice Kavanaugh, again, one of the 5, wrote a separate opinion in which he said he believes that a state could not make it a crime for a woman in a state where abortion is illegal to go to a different state to have that abortion. So just do the math. That suggests, I think, that there aren't 5 votes to allow a state to pass a law like that.
And Roe v. Wade, was a Supreme Court ruling, right? And now it's being overturned by a different Supreme Court. So when and how might today's ruling be revisited by another Supreme Court? Is that we're looking at this back and forth?
I think that is a real possibility. It's also a possibility that if the composition of the court changed, we might end up somewhere closer to where Chief Justice Roberts seemed to be today, which was, let's not eliminate the right to elective abortion, but let's give women a reasonable amount of time. And he thinks, 15 weeks is reasonable, maybe a little bit less is reasonable, but that would still, of course, include the time within which the overwhelming majority of elective abortions take place, the first 12 weeks.
Lots of gray area still.
Yeah, Stephen, there are a million things we could talk about, but we're out of time, unfortunately, for now. We appreciate you joining us and sharing your expertise with us today.
My pleasure.